When you have a goal, whether it's starting a business or eating healthier or traveling the world, it's easy to look at someone who's already doing it and then trying to reverse engineer their strategy. In some cases, this is really useful. Learning from the experiences of successful people is a great way to accelerate your own learning curve. But it's equally important to remember that the systems, habits, and strategies that successful people are using today are probably not the same ones they were using when they began their journey. What is optimal for them right now isn't necessarily needed for you to get started. There's a difference between the two. Let me explain. As Seth Godin says, if you set your bar at amazing, it's awfully difficult to start. Learning from others is great, and I do it myself all the time. But comparing your current situation to someone who's already successful can often make you feel like you lack the required resources to get started at all. If you look at their optimal setup, it can be really easy to convince yourself that you need to buy new things or learn new skills or meet new people before you can even take the first step towards your goal. And usually that's not true. For example, when you're an entrepreneur, it's so easy to get obsessed with optimal. This is especially true at the start. I can remember being convinced that my first website would not succeed without a great logo. After all, every popular website I looked at had a professional logo. I've since learned my lesson. Needless to say, my website did just fine without a nice logo for the first few months. Claiming that you need to learn more or get all your ducks in a row can often be a crutch that prevents you from moving forward on stuff that actually matters. You can complain that your golf game is suffering because you need new clubs, but the truth is you probably just need 2 years of practice. Or you can argue that it's hard to travel light without the right backpack, but the truth is you can make it work with what you have now. Obsessing about the ultimate strategy or the ultimate diet or the ultimate golf club can be a clever way to prevent yourself from doing hard work. We all love optimizing and improvement. 1% gains fill us with joy. But don't let visions of what is optimal prevent you from getting started in the first place. An imperfect start can always be improved, but obsessing over a perfect plan will never take you anywhere on its own. Alright kings, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please help me make better videos by sharing your thoughts and ideas down in the comments below. Thanks.